Greetings from Malta. My name is Mario Muscat. I am the founder and managing director of Ozo System. I had a dream. Today, I'm living the dream. Ozo System is Malta's leading service company.
Current Managing Director, Mr. Mario Muscat, established Ozo System in 1996, employing few personnel. But today, Ozo System has become a household name, a force to be reckoned within industry.
We as a company employ 1,200 employees, which we consider them a great asset towards our success.
Ozo System offers a wide range of services within the household, commercial and hospitality industry, ranging from maid services to aircraft cleaning.
Approaching our 20th anniversary, us as a company have managed to achieve groundbreaking milestones, such as obtaining the ISO certification and opening our own training academy.
Ozo System today enjoys a vast clientele, which includes the majority of major hotels around Malta, amongst over 100 other clients coming from different sectors and industries.
We find that the main three benefits actually with using Ozo systems are reliability. This has been the mainstay of our organization for many years and our relationship with Ozone. Seasonality is a big part of it. For the winter months when we are a little bit more quiet, we can afford to have less staff members in the hotel. Third and not least, flexibility. You can count on Ozone staff and Ozone management to be flexible in their approach, accede to all our requests each and every day.
In 2015, Ozo System have inaugurated their state-of-the-art training academy, the first of its kind on the island of Malta within the industry. We at Ozo System believe that for us to provide excellent service to our client, we must constantly train our people. Our academy provides training in different modules such as cleaning methodology, food handling, and other various training.
Throughout our operations, we value communication and quality to ensure the customer satisfaction.
Ozo System exists to serve the client with the best quality services by going that extra mile. The success is founded on the quality and consistency of our work. We take pride in everything that we do and relentless in our pursuit of exceptional standards.
Considering the size of Malta, Ozo System has always managed to keep up with the international market through innovation, investment and customer satisfaction.